Hatfield single shot 410 shotguns. That first one up top was $99 at the Walmart. The new one, same exact gun, 410 single shot. But now Walmart charges $130. Went up $30 in a matter of like 60 days maybe. Ridiculous. Anyhow, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Check it out. Like I said, the first one I bought, paid $99 for at the Walmart. The second one was $130. Like everything else, everything's going up in price, but you're not getting anything different for it. So, all right, guys, hope you liked the video. Check it out. Later.